Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your Capital One checking account statements online. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on your Capital One 360 checking account. Now you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says View Statements. Now on this page, you will be able to see your checking account statements. To proceed, click on the statement you wish to get. A pop-up window will appear showing the content of your selected statements. On its upper part, you will see a download button. Click on the download button. That's how you get your Capital One checking account statements online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.